Welcome back, Monday Money Makers. This is your boy Duran. As always, I stay making you make money. And today we're going to be talking about something very different that a lot of people probably don't even know, and it's called Mediavine. So Mediavine is basically is an ad management platform where it helps you to get advertisements to start making money on your videos, on your content videos, or on your blogs, or any other content management system that you have, like a website, a WordPress or anything to get more eyeballs on it. But you have to at least be bringing in 50K, viewers a month on these particular blogs or website that you have. So as you can see, the Mediavine is an application, and you put your site name, your blog, or whatever you want advertisements to start monetizing on your videos to make for. So it's a very simplistic process. So just put in your site name or your website. If you are a company or you're individual sole proprietor, have you ever applied to Mediavine for this site before? Yes or no? Are you applying for ad management on an existing Mediavine approved site that you purchase? Do you currently own a site running Mediavine ads? If yes, put in that link. Are you currently under contract for an exclusive ad representation, and which company? So imagine you have another ad management company that is actually trying to get more advertisements on your videos to make you more money, and then you are trying to sign up with Mediavine. Well, unfortunately, they're gonna probably decline your application because you can't really work with two different ad management companies at one given time. So you might want to back off from the other one. Unless it's already making you money, then you don't need to work. You don't even need to apply for Mediavine. But if you want more revenue coming in, revenue per millions or revenue per views, which is you get 1,000, amount of money per views, then Mediavine is your go-to. Really, really go through these questions that they ask you, because this is going to determine if you qualify or not. You have to be truthful and honest with them, because if they find out you're working with somebody else, they may not want to do business with you ever again, and that's a potential side hustle that you potentially lost out on. So just be honest and truthful with them. Please go through and answer all these other questions here. They tell you a little bit about what Mediavine is. Your business is our business, so they are a very friendly ad management company, and they want to help you to achieve success, and they want to work with you a long term. But just make sure that you're being honest and truthful. They tell you the requirements. They say you have to have 50,000 sessions in the previous 30 days per Google Analytics, good standing with Google AdSense, original content in any niche as a lifestyle publisher, long form engaging content. So not just anybody can sign up for this. You have to be making sure that you definitely meet these requirements like they say. And then you'll never have a question about what you are making. You will know what you are earning on a monthly, daily basis. So I've seen friends and I've seen other YouTubers make anywhere from $200 to $600 a month with these Mediavine, in case you are very curious about it. Just make sure that you are, following all the rules, and don't try to do anything devious to get your account banned, because they will be looking at it and seeing if there's any suspicious links going on or suspicious things going on. So make sure that you're hitting these requirements, and that you have good content. So go ahead and read their story, and then these are people that actually have done business with them. I've been publishing for over 13 years, and I have worked with many, many agencies. This is my 4th year with Mediavine, and I couldn't be happier. My team at Mediavine is not just incredibly talented, but they care. Mediavine is run by fantastic people, sort of a mastermind group of bloggers. Once you join, you'll never want to hear about any other network and get the feeling of being covered on the monetization side of business. Best part is, if you are involving every second you would think they sit back after being the best at monetization, but no, they develop blogging tools to make the internet even better. So you have site speed, video forward, community quality, data-driven dashboard, and dynamic ad placements. So they place ads on your blogs to get you the best amount of money. Let me know if this is something that you potentially want to sign up for. Just make sure that like I said, make sure you have those 50,000 sessions coming in or a lot of views coming in on your website, a lot of traffic. Because if you don't have that, then I'm sorry to tell you, you're not gonna get accepted into the company. So you sign in with your email and password to be your dashboard. But other than that, have a great day, money makers, and let me know if you get accepted into the program. Take care. Bye. Welcome back, money makers. As always, I stay making you make opportunities, and we're going to talk about Clapper. This is an app where it's pretty much you post content on there, and you need at least 3,000 followers, and at least one video has over 3,000 views in order to start getting monetized from Clapper. Clapper. That's the name of this app, and you can go ahead and get started by downloading it on the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. They have it on the Google Play Store. They have it on the Apple Store. Whatever your device is, they have it. And a little bit about it is basically you can go live, you can follow other people, you can post engaging content, and you need to start making money. Now, I will say that they do have some technical issues a little bit going on with Clapper, but you kind of have to just work with it as is. I'm sure they're going to constantly keep improving with their developer teams. But until then, it's not like your fabulous TikTok or, YouTube where you upload, shorts or video, short form content, and you don't have any problems with it because they're still probably growing. But as more people know, but I'm quite sure that as more people grow and leave TikTok, or TikTok might eventually get shut down, then, more people are going to start coming over it. But just to give you a little bit of, background information about it, this has just been my experience with, doing it here. So here, you can kind of see what's going on here. So, obviously it has different features. Obviously I have my own platform, and you can see the verification. We go to my verification, and you can see you need at least 3,000 views, 3K followers. I didn't see it. You can see it right there. 3K followers, 3,000 views from one video to get monetized. But that's just been my experience with this. So go ahead and kind of let me know if this is something that you really want to, achieve or want to accomplish. Because it's really a good platform to start, not only making money on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, all those good stuff, but then you can add to your portfolio to have Clapper. Let me know if this is something that you potentially want to do. If you like it, let me know in the comment section. But other than that, take care, money makers. See ya. Bye-bye.